The right home projects not only make your house look better, they actually boost its value.
Simply Money's Amy Wagner shows us the projects that pay off the most right now in this Consumer Alert.
According to a new survey from Remodeling magazine, the average home project recoups less than 2/3 of its cost at sale. But there are some projects that really do pay off. A fresh coat of paint is one of the easiest and most cost-effective ways to boost your home's sales price, especially if you do the work yourself. Realtors say buyers are now looking for neutral tones like gray or beige on walls. Minor bath remodeling projects recouped their cost and then some, as did minor kitchen remodeling. The key word being minor, with $10,000 being the high end for bathrooms and $15K for kitchens. And spend some time on curb appeal. Getting your lawn, shrubs, and trees into shape is an inexpensive way to boost your home's value, especially if you do the work yourself. And if you've got some money to spend, the survey found a stone walkway with landscaping, which cost $4,750 to put in, returned $5,000 on average at sale. And one of the best payoffs in terms of home projects is a new garage door. The Simply Money point here: if you're staying put for a while, make the improvements you'll use and enjoy. But these other inexpensive fixes could be helpful if you plan to sell soon. For Fox 19 Now and Simply Money, I'm Amy Wagner.